Some people ask, why would I choose natural fertilizer to be my manure manager? Some people write manure management plans, right? So they give you a document that says, this is how much manure we can put on every acre and get by legally. What we do is we come in and say, we want to do a total assessment of your farm. We want to look at your soil test levels. We want to help you determine your phosphorus loss calculations, your soil loss calculations, and all of those things are going to complete your nutrient management plan. But we're not only going to look at your nutrient management plan as a compliance tool. We're going to look at this as a return on investment tool. By having us help you with your nutrient management plan, we can determine whether or not you need manure on your fields or if you should export them. Both ways, we're going to improve your compliance, which is going to keep you out of trouble with the DNR, with the EPA, and make you have a good representative image to the public because you're doing the right thing for the right reasons. The next thing we're going to do is say, can we utilize these materials there? If we can, good. Keep them at home because you already own them. But if you don't need them, if you're soil tested and you're saying, hey, there's no economic response to applying this manure to my field again, then we will help you sell it. We won't only help you sell the product, but we're going to come in and we're going to bring our payloaders in and we're going to clean your pens for you. We're going to haul the material out of the pens, or if you put it in a pile for us, we would be able to load materials out of your pile and haul them to the local farmers that can see benefit from the product. By doing that, we will improve the farmer, providing him with a wholesome nutrient product that he doesn't have access to otherwise. We'll actually be reducing the feedlot's labor, right? So we're going to come in and load these materials on our own. We're going to haul them away, and most feed yards have been doing that on their own. You can almost sell your equipment and rely on natural fertilizer to take care of that for you. We're also going to handle all the application work, right? So we're going to haul the materials out. We're going to market it to these farmers. We're going to apply it to exactly the rate that they want it. And we're going to supply back an application record to file in your nutrient management plan to keep you in compliance again. At the end of the day, we're going to bill the farmer. We're going to collect all the money, pay for all the services, and write you a check back. If you feel like you have an overabundance of manure, or if you just like maybe us to consult with you to help you understand if you are not utilizing your natural resource to its maximum potential, give us a call. One of our agronomists will stop out, we'll review your plan, and we'll say, hey, you can make some money on selling this, or no, I think I would haul it to that field further away, and we can help you with all that service.